This is a brief video for Georgia DFCS caseworkers and case managers on Georgia Appleseed's Student Tribunal project. In this project, we connect children in foster care with pro bono trained attorneys who can represent these children in student tribunal hearings when children face long-term suspension or expulsion from school. This project is a partnership of Georgia Appleseed, DFCS, and the Georgia Office of the Child Advocate. Georgia Appleseed is a nonprofit, nonpartisan, law and policy justice center with a focus on increasing justice in Georgia through law and policy reform and community engagement.
Public school students faced with proposed out-of-school suspensions of more than 10 days or with expulsion are entitled to dispute the proposed disciplinary action at an administrative hearing, often called a tribunal. The hearings are legal proceedings and are very important, and the outcomes can have a major impact on the child, not just educationally, but also from a placement and permanency perspective. Once you receive notice of the tribunal, it is important to immediately notify Regina Roberts at the Office of Child Advocate.
Once you notify Regina of the tribunal hearing, we will attempt to put an attorney in place. Regina will send an email to our list of attorneys, and we hope that an attorney will pick up the case and volunteer to represent the student. There is unfortunately no guarantee that we will be able to place the student with an attorney, but we will try very hard to do so in all situations. Due to the short turnaround times of these tribunal hearings, we are asking you, the case managers, to really impart to the foster parents the importance of these hearings. And as soon as they get notice of one of these hearings, they need to notify you so you can notify Regina so we can try to get an attorney in place. We are asking that you notify Regina of any tribunal that you hear about, even if the student has done what he or she is accused of doing. We do not want that to be a deterrence for you sending this to Regina. We know and understand that sometimes students have done what they are accused of doing, but we can get an attorney at the hearing and sometimes effectuate a great result even if the student has done what he or she is accused of doing. We want you to send this to Regina as soon as you get the form, even if the hearing is the next day or 2 days later. We don't want the short turnaround times to deter you from sending it to Regina. We will try to get an attorney there, even if the hearing is the next day. The important thing to take away from this is no matter when you get notice of the tribunal, send the form to Regina and we will do our best to place an attorney. Once the attorney gets the case, he or she should contact you, the case manager. We appreciate your cooperation in giving the attorney any and all information that you have that could assist him or her in representing this student. It's possible that the attorney won't contact you due to the short turnaround times, but if you do hear from an attorney, please return his or her call and cooperate as much as you can. Additionally, if you are available, we would love it if you could also try to come to the hearing. Thank you so much, and we look forward to working with you.